So he's marking his hole. He's got a layer of duct tape on there that he uses. Takes a kind of drill bit is that, Lauren?
And this is a diamond drill bit. That's good for granite and engineered quartz, which is what this material is.
Any other surfaces?
If there's, yeah, if it's quartzite, natural quartzite, you have to use a different blade. If it's marble, you have to use you use different blades for cutting different materials.
We've got blades for anything.
Yeah.
If it needs a hole in it, we can drill it. And this is for the reverse osmosis faucet that's going to be installed for the under sink drinking system. There's his vacuum setup, so dust will automatically fill in as he drills. We're done. That's it.
That look easy.
Easy peasy. Thanks, Lauren.